First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Legian Setiorini, and my team are Mrs. Sri Haryani, Mrs. Endang Susiloningsih, and Mr. Sudarmin. We are from Semarang State University. Today we are going to discuss about our study with the title of RAS Model Analysis on Acid-Based Reading Literacy Instrument. Reading literacy is the ability to understand, evaluate, reflect, and engage in text to develop knowledge and potential, achieve goals, and contribute to society. Reading literacy involves high-level thinking skill that call for readers to be critical in understanding reading material and relate reading content to real-world issues, to observation of various occurrences. Mastery of literacy is needed as a primary capital to face various changes, especially in the world of education, which is currently in the 21st century. The reading literacy result of Indonesian students based on the Program of International Student Assessment (PISA) within 18 years show a decrease. Indonesia is at the bottom of the list compared to other OECD member countries. Indonesian PISA scores in reading literacy from 2000 to 2018 were 371, 382, 393, 402, 396, 397, and 371. Indonesia reading literacy score in 2018 had the same score as in 2000, which was 371. Indonesia low literacy score in PISA is a task for government to find solution to improve its score. Therefore, an effort is needed to develop a literacy assessment instrument that refer to PISA concept, framework, and example. The reality shows that chemistry teachers at the several private schools in Semarang City have yet to try to make reading literacy instrument. It is necessary to develop instrument with the PISA model that have the context of daily life by the teacher so that it can be used as an evaluation tool in classroom learning. Each student reading literacy ability should be measured using standard assessment instrument. But there are no standard instrument available to be able to measure students' reading literacy skill. Therefore, efforts are needed to develop reading literacy instruments that relate to problems in everyday life. The material that this research focuses on is acid-base. Many acid-based compounds exist in the surrounding environment and are utilized in everyday life. So, this material can help raise student reading literacy. The RAS model describes the quality of the reading literacy instrument in the form of being reviewed from the aspect of construct validity, item validity, estimated reliability, and level of difficulty of the question. This is a quantitative research with the research sample was 88 students of UNES and UIN Kudus. The data collected was from student answer data to the 13 item of acid-based reading literacy instrument. The data analysis technique used in the RAS model with WinStep software. The first data analysis is validity of construct. According to the unidimensionality output table, the result obtained from raw variant explained by measure value so that overall reading literacy instruments are in the good category. The observed score in unexplained variance in the first to fifth contrast result indicate no tendency to misfit item because all the obtained percentages are less than 10%. and the eigenvalue score of all of the contrast is lower than 3. The next is item validity. Based on the fit item output table, 4 items or 31% are not fit, and the analysis result show that 9 items or 69% are fit. Estimated reliability. The study found that the reliability based on the Cronbach alpha is 0.81. Instruments used are in very good condition and effective with a high level of consistency, and so 13 items can be used. Based on the reliability of the items, the value of 0.98 indicates excellent condition and stronger acceptable, while the reliability of person is 0.77 means in good condition and acceptable. The last is item difficulty level. The result of the item difficulty index are well distributed in the categories very easy 4 items equal 31%, easy 5 items equals 38%, difficult 1 item equal 8%, and very difficult 3 items equal 23%, with a difficulty index range for 2.29. And the conclusion is the quality of reading literacy instrument is categorized as very good based on the following aspect. Unidimensional is 62.4%. 9 item indexed as fit item. Person reliability is 0.77, while item reliability is 0.98 with a Cronbach alpha of 0.81, which is an excellent category. Item difficulty level in order from very easy 31%, 38%, 8%, and 23%. That's all our discussion and my presentation. Thank you for the nice attention.